Welcome back, students. We understood the concept of money market. We have seen the two parts of money market, organized and unorganized. Now in this part I am going to explain role of money market in India. What is the role of money market in India? The following points shows the role of money market in India. Number 1, short-term requirements of borrowers. Money market provides reasonable access for meeting the short-term financial needs of borrowers at realistic prices. So understand this, that money market is for a short period of time, and whatever the short-term requirements of the financial needs of they are fulfilled by money market. Second, liquidity management. Money market is a dynamic market. It facilitates better management of liquidity and money in the economy by monetary authorities. This in turn leads to economic stability and development of the country. So what is the liquidity management? That is also a provision, or that is also one of the important role of money market. Liquid means cash. Next, portfolio management. Money market deals with different types of financial instruments that are designed to suit the risk and return preferences of the investors. This enables the investors to hold a portfolio of different financial assets, which in turn helps in minimizing risk and maximizing returns. That is what the portfolio management is there, right? Next, equilibrating mechanism. Through rational allocation of resources and mobilization of savings into investment channels, money market helps to establish equilibrium between demand for and supply of short-term funds. Next, financial requirements of the government. Money market helps the government to fulfill its short-term financial requirements on the basis of treasury bills. Treasury bills are in short called as T-bills. Next, implementation of monetary policy. Monetary policy is implemented by the central bank. It aims at managing the quantity of money in order to meet the requirements of different sectors of the economy and to increase the pace of economic growth. A well-developed money market ensures successful implementation of the monetary policy. It guides the central bank in developing an appropriate interest policy. Next, economizes the use of cash. Money market deals with various financial instruments that are close substitutes to money and not actual money. So it economizes the use of cash. And the last, growth of commerce, industry and trade. Money market facilitates discounting bills of exchange to local and international traders who are in urgent need of short-term funds. It also provides working capital for agriculture and small-scale industries. So in this way, we can consider that money markets are playing a very important role. All these 8 points shows that money market is playing very important role in India. So all these 8 points you have to give. If the question is there, explain the role of money market in India. Thank you very much.